It was a day set aside by the United Nations as Father's Day world over, but for residents of Egbo Estate, the day turned out to be that of mourning when Abubakar Orosaye allegedly hugged his 79-year-old father Osariahi to death with an axe in his sleep. The family got to know when one of the children went into the room to wake him up only to discover that he has been killed.
Personally, I was shocked that his junior son, who is in SS2, hacked him to death with a big axe over a minor issue.
And when I came here to find out, the story was true.
And the thing was just like a shock to me because I never believed that child can do such thing like that.
Younger brother to deceased, Mr. Lagos man Oronsaye, who expressed shock at the incident, told NTA News that Abubakar, being the 16th of the 17 children, was very close to the father and wondered why he chose to kill his father.
He said the father used to accuse him that he take his money, or the father accused him that he always take his money. That was only the reason. There's no, even the statement he wrote in the police station, there's nothing more than that. You see, he controls the resources of food in this house. Yeah, he cooks for the father. He served the father.
Days after the incident, residents of the area are yet to recover from the shock as no shop was open for business. When NTA News crew visited the family house of the Oronsayes, sympathizers were there to identify with the bereaved. Alhaji Yusuf Kenny, a friend to the deceased, and some family members comment further.
2 months ago, around 8 o'clock, he said the son said he wanted to burn the jeep. That's why I decided to come and park it here. So I have to collect key from him, drove the jeep inside my compound, escort him down. When he was doing all this, we decided to take him to the hospital to find out whether he's having mental something. When he got to the hospital, though I did not go with them. When he returned, he told me that doctor said the boy is physical, that there is nothing wrong with the boy.
These religious leaders explained the religious implications of the act.
It will affect that generation yet unborn. Teach your children the way they should grow, so that when they grow, they will have the knowledge of God.
God is going to question us, how we bring them up, how we treat them, how we relate to them.
A legal practitioner, Mr. Aliu Adams, explains the place of the law in this circumstance.
Be it so that he is a teenager, below 18 years as it were, does not exculpate and exempt him from punishment. Is maximally culpable. There could be a remedial process to take care of his teenage year when he committed the offense.
Police have done their investigation, have arrested him. So we charge him to court. We charge him to court. The court have an option of reminding him until he's 18.
The deceased, who retired as Master Warrant Officer from the Nigerian Army a few years ago, also served with the Edo State House of Assembly. He was supposed to mark his 80th birthday by October this year. He has been interred in line with Islamic rites. In Benin, Goodluck, NTA News.